Okay, so today I'm making the Clover Club. Wonderful drink, great balance. It looks a bit fruity, but the lemon juice and the fresh raspberries are really going to kind of balance that drink out. It's one of my favorites. You're going to love this. So let's start with 50 mils of gin into our shaker, like so. There we go. Followed by 25 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So that's going to be 15 plus another 10. There we go. And then we're going to add in 15 mils of sugar syrup. Straight in like that. And then 15 mils of egg white. Now you can obviously just separate eggs out like I've done, or you can buy pasteurized egg whites, entirely your choice. For that I'm going to add in half a dozen raspberries. There we go. And then usually on this drink we're going to do what we call a dry shake, which is where we shake it without the ice, and that's going to help emulsify the egg whites to get the texture we're looking for. So let's give that a go. It's also the silent shake. There we go. Now, let me just show you what sort of froth we're going to get to that straight away. There we go. That's lovely. Then we're going to add our ice in. And do what's called the wet shake. So. Okay, then we just need to grab our chilled glass. I keep mine in the freezer, but you can keep yours in the fridge, entirely up to you. And then pour that in. Look at the lovely colour and the rich texture we were talking about. There we go. And we're going to finish that off with another fresh raspberry on the top. There we go. Cheers. Ooh, absolutely.